Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the earphones have enough battery. Low power can block settings. Once paired, open the maker's app or your phone's Bluetooth menu because language options live in device controls or app firmware settings. Tap the earphone name, then the gear or info icon to access advanced options. You do this now to avoid firmware interruptions later. Having the app open also lets you see real-time status updates and any required downloads. Once in settings, go to General or Device Settings because language controls are grouped there. You'll see a language or voice prompt entry. Tap it, pick your language, and confirm so the new prompts write to the earphones. Make sure the earphones remain connected during this write. Disconnects can corrupt settings. If you don't see language choices, check for firmware updates or the voice assistant submenu, since some models keep prompts under assistant voice rather than general language. After confirming the change, restart the earphones and listen to the startup prompt to verify the new language. This finalizes the write. If the voice prompts don't change, make sure to repair the device and reinstall the app because cached settings can block updates. As a last resort, perform a factory reset following the manufacturer steps. This clears corrupted profiles, but also removes custom settings, so back up any preferences first. If issues persist, contact support with the firmware version and model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.